And now to Ondo State, where the Chief Magistrate Court has ordered the immediate past Deputy Governor of Ondo State, Adebola, to appear before the court following an application of warrant by the State Commissioner of Police over an allegation of fraud. The CP had applied to the court for the warrant to bring Ajayi or his statement to court over the case, as the defendant had allegedly failed to appear before the police nor write a statement over the allegation leveled against them. The police prosecutor, Emmanuel Tanimowo, told the court that the former deputy governor, Ajayi, had not responded to the invitation sent to him to explain his own side of the matter. Given his ruling, the magistrate, Mr. Taiwo Lebi, ordered that Ajayi or his statement must be produced in court on the next adjournment date and adjourned the hearing to November 24, 2023. Now, joining me to talk about this is a public affairs analyst, Mohammed Abdullahi. Good afternoon. Glad to have you join me.
Good afternoon, Nigerians. My pleasure.
Now, Mr. Ajayi, with this, order by the court regarding the past deputy governor of Ondo State, Adebola Ajayi, to appear before the court following the application of warrant, of course, by the State Commissioner of Police over this allegation of fraud. I'm wondering, what do you make of all of this?
Yes, thank you very much. Since the case is in court, it's actually outside of a public purview to make a sensitive comment. But what I understand by the case that has been going on for a while is the fact that the ex-deputy governor was summoned and he's been evading court appearance for at least about once or twice. So, I mean, it's upon the court to issue a warrant of arrest, like we rightly know. So I wouldn't want to make any incriminating comments because, like I said earlier, the case is, is in presence of a judge, and then it depends on the evidences before the court to either set him free or convict him. But what I know of the case since the past year is the fact that one of his aides, the former ex-deputy governor's aide, is been docked and is being alleged that in connivance with his boss, Mr. Adebola Ajayi, the ex-deputy governor of Ondo State, attempted to defraud or, if I use the word steal, some properties either belonging to government or some individuals. So,
right.
Like I said earlier, it's dependent on the court to issue judgment.
Yeah, I understand that, Mr. Abdullahi, but I'm asking, how would this, going forward, affect the political climate in Ondo State? I understand the case is in court, but I'm just asking an overview of how you think this will impact on Ondo State political climate.
Definitely, it will. It will. I know, and I'm sure the public know, and the people of Ondo State understand that Mr. Adebola Ajayi is also wanting to contest for the next gubernatorial election in Ondo State. In fact, one of the major reasons he's been having rifts, he had rift with Adedugba in the first tenure while he was eased out, and then he decamped from the ruling party APC to the major opposition party, if you want to say in Nigeria, even though PDP is not really a major opposition party in Ondo State. You have the LP and perhaps even the ZP that are very much powerful. But again, yes, it will definitely affect the political climate. It will dent his image, perhaps whether that is what the ruling party is looking towards. Because for a man of his caliber who was once a deputy governor, definitely you agree with me that he's had a kind of political clout. So this case definitely will have a dent on his image, and that might definitely negatively affect his chances of even clinching the party ticket at this moment, because you need to get the primary ticket first before you even talk about the general election. So, but we'll wait to see what happens.
Right. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Mohammed Abdullahi, public affairs analyst. Thank you for your insights this afternoon.
Thank you very much.